Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing fine. In my previous videos, I shown you how to magnetize a substance. In this video, I will explain the reason behind the magnetization of the substance. For that, I have taken a bottle which is filled with crushed magnet. What I did, I took few magnets of this kind removed from loudspeaker and broken them into small pieces with the help of hammer that I have taken in this bottle. Now, each small piece of this magnet behaves as a separate magnet, but they are oriented in different direction. When I bring them near to the paper clip, you can see no paper clips have got attracted by these tiny magnets. The reason is each small piece have magnetic moment. As they are randomly oriented, their net magnetic moment is zero. That is why they do not attract any paper clip. What I do now, I am going to place this in external magnetic field. I just tap this few times. Now you can see these tiny magnets have aligned themselves in the direction of external magnetic field. You can see they were settled at the bottom earlier. Now when I place them in magnetic field, they aligned themselves in the external magnetic field. Now I will bring it near to the paper clip to see what happened. As you can see, the magnets which had no magnetic property have acquired magnetic property now, and they attract large number of paper clips. The same kind of thing happen in case of any object. If we take the example of bulk object is one which have finite size, which have a particular size, is referred as a bulk object. Almost all objects are made of atoms, and these atoms in turn consist of electrons that revolve around the nucleus. So these electrons have orbital motion. As a result of orbital motion, they possess magnetic moment, but they are oriented in a random direction. So the net magnetic moment is zero. When we place such object in external magnetic field, the atoms behave as atomic dipole by aligning themselves in the direction of external magnetic field. The net magnetic moment per unit volume of the material is referred as intensity of magnetization or just magnetization. It is mathematically written as m vector equals to magnetic moment divided by the volume of the material. Here the notation of magnetic moment is Pm vector and the notation of volume is V. The intensity of magnetization is a vector quantity, so we use an arrow mark here. Here M is the symbol of magnetization or intensity of magnetization, and its unit is ampere per meter. Now I am going to find out the expression for the intensity of magnetization for a bar magnet. Now I have shown you what is a bar magnet. This is a bar magnet. If I have a bar magnet of this kind whose length equals to 2L and area of a cross section equals to A, then magnetic moment can be obtained by using a simple equation. Before that, I will write the expression for magnetic pole strength. Here I say the magnetic pole strength of the bar magnet is equal to Qm. Using these terms, I am going to find out the expression for magnetic moment, which is nothing but Pm, and can be obtained by multiplying the pole strength of the bar magnet with the total length of the bar magnet. Here, magnetic moment is a vector quantity, so I use vector notation both sides. Then, in order to get the intensity of magnetization, I have to find out the volume of the bar magnet. We know the volume of anything can be obtained by multiplying area with its length. This is the volume of the bar magnet. Now, I will divide these two to get the intensity of magnetization, which is a unit letter M, can be obtained dividing these two. It is a vector quantity, so we use a vector symbol. Now the value of, I am going to substitute the value of Pm and V in this expression. So what is the value of Pm? Is Qm 2L vector upon the value of V is A into 2L. The same terms get cancelled here, and what we obtain is nothing but this Qm upon A. Now the final expression obtained by us for M is equal to Qm upon A. It is the magnitude of M vector. So I take the modulus of M vector. It can be written as M equals to Qm upon A. This shows that the intensity of magnetization of a bar magnet can be obtained by dividing pole strength of the bar magnet with its area. I hope this video is useful. If you have any kind of doubt related to the topic, kindly put your questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching.